After saving your measurements to your collection, you can export and organize your measured data into an Excel spreadsheet. Step 1. Go to My Collections and select the collection you want. A list of your saved measurements will appear. Press the green Export button. Step 2. Export your data. Click on Generate Link to create a unique link for your dataset. Keep this link safe, as anyone with the link can access the data for this collection. Press the Copy Link icon to put the link into your device clipboard. Paste this link into any web browser to view your data. You can also email the link to yourself. Step 3. Processing your exported data. The data will be exported in the CSV format. The typical contents of an exported file looks like this. The first row contains the column names and the subsequent rows contain the saved data. The columns are separated by commas. This CSV format can be easily imported into Microsoft Excel. First, open your file or create a new spreadsheet in Excel. Go to Data. Click Get Data. From File. From Text CSV. Select your exported file from where you have saved it. Select the delimiter as comma. Select Transform Data. Then click Close and Load. Here you can see the unique ID for each sample and any other information you have entered. The Device Answer column shows you the composition of the garment that the device has given. It is important to note that if you add a scan to the previous sample, they will both have the same sample ID, so you know the measurements were from the same sample.